Hi, I'm Peter Nolet. I'm the product manager for our DC Thrusters with IMTRA Corp. And today I want to talk about one of our exciting new products, which is our new external thruster. With the growth of outboard powered boats, and as center consoles get bigger, we're thinking about thrusters, and not just bow thrusters, but stern thrusters for more control of these boats. We have this very compact external product, very easy to mount on the transom. It comes delivered without these two tunnel halves pre-assembled. They just snap together very easily. The tunnels also have inserts in them to easily attach your add-on pieces. We have a few different add-ons. We have a grill product that attaches to your inserts, as I mentioned, on our tunnel flange, and rotate around. Okay, you only need to pick up 4 mounting positions, and then we also offer an add-on cowl or scoop, and this is used to redirect water flow past obstructions on your transom, or getting it very close to waterline so it's not sucking air from above. It's available in 2 sizes right now: a 35 kilo thrust unit, 77 pounds of thrust, and a 50 kilo thrust unit, or 110 pounds. It's available both as an on-off product or full proportional, just like the rest of our DC thruster lineup. From the thruster, we're supplying both thermal switch, mechanical thermal switch, and a temp sensor, such that we can use this product either way. So in order to accomplish on-off or proportional control, we offer 2 different boxes. So we have an on-off box, and inside this we have a connection for the mechanical thermal switch. The temp sensor connection from the thruster is not used, and then we pre-wire an analog harness for your on-off control going to our panels. On the proportional box, we have an internal connection for your temp sensor and not the mechanical thermal switch from the thruster. And then we pre-wire to that a data cable connector. It's a 5-meter data cable that goes to your power controller with an 8-pin connector. With this, we're balancing with any of our other products within our range, because we're all on our S-Link control system, such that I could have this product with an AC bow thruster or a hydraulic bow thruster. We have lots of flexibility. With our proportional product, we can have 2 bow thrusters, say on a catamaran, and 2 stern thrusters. On these outboard powered boats, we could actually have, a port stern and a starboard stern thruster for more flexibility. And as these kind of center console boats get bigger, i.e., per example, is a Scout 53, they use 2 of these in the stern to balance with one of our tunnel thrusters in the bow that's a higher power unit. In the case of outboard powered boats, we want to get the product low enough so it's below the harmonic plate of your outboards, being external of the boat, and being below waterline. Now we have a water-cooled product. Okay, as a water-cooled motor, this thing's going to run for at least 10 minutes of continuous runtime. As an on-off product. Proportional product, we fully expect you to run longer because you're not running at full power all the time, and it's not that hard single-speed power on and off. With this product being external on the boat, we now have an extremely quiet thruster. Generally speaking, a thruster, all of its noise is in the water speed through the tunnel. Usually your motor's about 5%. So most stern thrusters, because the motor is external, your tunnel's external, they're generally a quiet product. But this particular product is extremely quiet. Permanent magnet motor, spools up very quickly and stops very quickly, which is nice. So change of directions on this product is very good. Another application where we see this product being used is in our wake ski tow market. A number of builders there are using it as stern thruster applications. So that's it for this new exciting external product from IMTRA. We have a number of builders that are already using this product. Its flexibility lends itself to a number of solutions. If you want any other information, please visit IMTRA.com or reach out to IMTRA Customer Service.